Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one with a gap down, but to give some credit where credit's due, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but I'm sure you've seen things that gap down, and after the gap down, it just looks like this the rest of the day. But that wasn't the case here. The price showed some signs of strength, actually went sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price gapped down and then went sideways does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is going to be the bottom and that there's going to be a bigger bounce coming. Not quite that easy. My core point here is it's at least it's at least a rational thought to have that, you know what, maybe this is some sort of bottom that's forming and maybe there's going to be some sort of bigger movement back to the upside. Now, if that's going to all play out, first off is, well, this needs to be the bottom. And how do we measure that? Well, let's just make sure that the price doesn't break through these former areas of support, which were established today right here at $1.32, right? That's just common sense. If this is the bottom and this thing is done going down, well, you don't want to see the price go down there and then just keep on going to new lows. So from that point of view, a very common sense approach, $1.32, going to be that key level of support to watch. Now, on the flip side, though, if there's going to be a bigger movement to the upside, the main level of resistance to really kind of, create some more upside buying pressure, going to be right up there around the $1.43 mark. So $1.43, definitely a key level of resistance. And I'm not saying that this is what's going to occur, but if the price can break above that level, there's quite a bit of blue skies here because the next level of resistance wouldn't be until up there around that pink line, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average, currently valued at $1.56. So there's certainly some room for this thing to get moving, to build some momentum, but you also have to, honor risk because, it was a rough day today, but like I said, at least the price showed some signs of strength, showed like maybe it wants to try to build a bottom here. So we'll have to see what next week brings, but certainly a very interesting setup moving into Monday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.